see a cricket match. There is a 20-over cricket match going on between India and Zimbabwe. India scores 200 runs with Kohli playing a good knock of 76 runs. Zimbabwe gets bowled out at 100 runs. So, India wins by a good margin. That's a qualitative definition. But by how much did India win? This is answered by the chapter 12, Ratio and Proportions. So come, let us know more about this. Let's see the concept of ratio. Usually, the comparison of quantities of the same type can be made by the method of difference between the quantities. Comparison between the quantities can be made by using division. That is, by verifying how many times one quantity is into the other quantity. This method is known as comparison by ratio. Ratio can be denoted as is to. To calculate ratio, the two quantities have to be measured using the same unit. If not, they should be converted to the same unit before ratio is taken. The same ratio can occur in different situations. The order in which the quantities are taken into consideration to express their ratio is important. Example, the ratio 4:5 is different from 5:4. A ratio can be treated as a fraction. Example, 5:6 can be treated as 5 divided by 6. Okay, now we are going to see about equivalent ratios. Two ratios are said to be equivalent if the fractions corresponding to them are equivalent. To calculate equivalent ratio, convert the ratio into fraction and then multiply or divide the numerator and the denominator of the fraction by the same number. Example, 4:5 is equivalent to 8:10 or 12:15. Let's see a simple term, lowest form. A ratio can be expressed in its lowest form. For example, the ratio 45:25 in its lowest form can be written as 9:5. Okay, let's see a simple problem under this concept. The question is, length and breadth of a rectangular field are 50 meter and 15 meter respectively. Find the ratio of the length to the breadth of the field. Okay, let's see the solution. Here, length of the rectangular field is equal to 50 meter and breadth of the rectangular field is equal to 15 meter. The ratio of the length to the breadth is 50:15. The ratio can be written as 50 divided by 15, that is equal to 10 by 3. So, that will be written as 10:3. Thus, the required ratio is 10:3. Okay, now we are going to see the important topics, proportions. If the ratio between quantity A and quantity B is equal to the ratio between quantity C, quantity D, then the four quantities A, B, C, D are said to be in proportion. Proportion is denoted by the signs double is to or equal to. Thus, the quantities 4, 16, 5 and 20 can be written as 4:16, double is to 5:20 or 4:16 equal to 5:20. The order of the terms in a proportion carries value. The quantities 4, 16, 5 and 20 are in proportion, whereas 4, 20, 5 and 16 are not in proportion. In the proportion, A is to B, double is to C is to D. The quantities A and D are the extreme terms and B and C are the middle terms. Let's see a simple problem. The question, are the ratios 25 gram is to 30 gram and 40 kilogram is to 48 kilogram in proportion? Let's find the solution. Here, 25 gram is to 30 gram. That will be 25 divided by 30. So, it will be 5:6. Then, 40 kilogram is to 48 kilogram. That will be 40 divided by 48. Then it will be 5:6. So 25 is to 30 equal to 40 is to 48. Therefore the ratios 25 gram is to 30 gram and 40 kilogram is to 48 kilogram are in proportion. That is 25 is to 30 double is to 40 is to 48. The middle terms in this are 30 and 40 and the extreme terms are 25, 48. Now we are going to see the another topic, unitary method. The method of calculating the value of one unit and using this value to calculate the value of the required number of units is called the unitary method. For example, suppose the cost of 8 bags is Rs 240. Now to find the cost of 6 bags using the unitary method, we first find out the cost of 1 bag. Then cost of 1 bag equal to 240 divided by 8. That will be 30 rupees. Now the cost of 6 bags equal to 6 into 30. That will be 180 rupees. Hence the cost of 6 bag is 180 rupees. I think all of you understood the topic very well. We will meet again in the next section. Bye friends. Study well.